How to add animation to website. Want to make your WordPress website more engaging? Animations are a fantastic way to grab attention and guide your visitor. Adding them might seem a little bit tricky, but it's actually quite simple, especially with plugins. The easiest method is using a free animation plugin. Now go to the WordPress dashboard, and this is how the WordPress dashboard look like. If you are new to WordPress, what you have to do is simply go to www.wordpress.com and log into your account. Then you will be directed to this type of interface, which we call dashboard or my home. Now let's get back to the topic. Once you are on the dashboard, you can see this type of interface. On the left hand side of the dashboard, you can see several menus. From the menus, tap on plugins, which is over here. Tap on it. Now in the search bar, which is over here, type animation effect. Tap on it. Then tap on search button. Now you will see various plugins pop up. Look for the one with the good reviews and recent update. These two plugins have a higher rate of stars or reviews. Let's tap on premium add-ins for Illuminator. And now we are in the plugin page. You can see install over here. However, mine is a free plan, so I have to upgrade it in order to install it. So it is not possible for me to show how to install this plugin. However, I will guide you throughout the process. So once you have tapped on install, which is over here, will start installing. After it gets installed, you can see activate over here. After you see activate over here, simply tap on it and it will be activated. After being activated, most of the animation plugin add to the block or option directly within your page or a post editor. To use it, you have to go post over here, or you can also go to the page and add a new post. Okay, let's choose one of these posts. Let's choose this one. Now on the post, select the element you want to animate. It could be your text block or an image, a button, anything. Check the block setting on your right hand side. You can see it on here. Simply select what you want to edit. Then you will see a plus button over here, that is add a block section. Tap on it, and over here you can see animation option, which you added by using your plugin. As I said earlier, I didn't have that block over here. However, if you install and activate it, you can see the option of animation over here. Now you can experiment with different animation type available, like fading, sliding, zoom, and more. You can usually adjust the speed and delay to get it just right. Once you are done editing it, simply tap on preview or update your page to see your animation in access. It's that straightforward. Have fun adding some life to your WordPress website. So that was the whole idea. That's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.